Welcome back to 12.5 Tech. In today's tutorial, we are covering the complete setup of HTTP custom using high-speed V2ray and SSH tunneling protocols. By combining HTTP custom with V2ray VMESS and WebSocket TLS, you can achieve lightning-fast connection speeds, rock-solid stability, and total privacy on your Android device. Make sure to watch every step carefully, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 12.5 Tech so you never miss our latest networking guides. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download and install HTTP custom. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. In the top search bar, type HTTP custom and hit search. Look for HTTP custom AIO Tunnel VPN by Easy Pro and tap on it. Hit install and wait for the download to finish. Once installed, tap open to launch the application. Step 2. Launch the app and enable V2ray mode. When you open HTTP custom for the first time, you will land on the main connection dashboard. Look at the bottom menu and tap on the main connection selector. From the available protocol options, choose V2ray. This unlocks the full V2ray suite, including VMess, VLESS, Trojan, and Shadowsocks protocols. Step 3. Access the SSH Tunnel website. Now we need a high-performance V2ray server to power our tunnel. Exit to your home screen and open your mobile web browser, such as Google Chrome. In the search bar, type SSH Tunnel and search. Click on the official website at SSH Tunnel, net to enter the server portal. Step 4. Sign in and browse server locations. Once on the home page, log into your existing account or use the quick one-click Google sign-in. After logging in, scroll down to the server region list. You will find server hubs for Europe, America, and Asia. For the lowest latency and fastest response time, select the Asia and Oceania region. Step 5. Select your server location. In the Asia server list, browse through the available locations such as Singapore, UE, or Japan. I recommend selecting Singapore SG1 for maximum bandwidth and ping stability. Tap the Select Server button to proceed to the account creation form. Step 6. Create your account credentials. On the server creation screen, enter your desired username and choose a secure password. Double-check your details and tap the Submit button. The platform will take a few seconds to provision and generate your custom tunneling server. Step 7. Copy your V2ray VMESS configuration. Once generated, your complete server details will appear on screen. Tap on the V2ray Info tab. Here you will find your Trojan TLS, VLESS Vision Reality, and VMess WebSocket configurations. Tap the Copy button next to the VMess WebSocket config to copy the full connection string directly to your clipboard. Step 8. Return to HTTP Custom and open V2ray settings. Head back to the HTTP Custom application. Open the V2ray configuration section by tapping the V2ray icon or menu. Here you will see the settings panel where your server parameters will be configured. Step 9. Import configuration from clipboard. In the V2ray screen, tap the plus icon and select Import from clipboard or paste your VMess string. HTTP Custom will automatically extract and populate all required fields, including the target server IP, port 8443, user ID UUID, WebSocket path, and TLS security settings. Step 10. Verify network and SNI bug host. Review your imported settings to ensure peak performance. Check that the transport is set to WebSocket, the path is set to /WS, and TLS security is enabled. If your network requires an SNI bug host, verify that the server name indication is properly filled in. Once confirmed, tap the Save icon to store your profile. Step 11. Connect to the V2ray tunnel. Return to the main dashboard of HTTP Custom. Verify that single tunnel V2ray mode is active. Now, tap the large circular Connect button. When the Android VPN permission prompt appears, tap I understand, continue to grant access. Step 12. Verify connection status and live logs. Watch the connection log window carefully. You will see HTTP Custom initialize the V2ray core, establish the TLS handshake with the Singapore server, and connect successfully. The status indicator will turn green, showing active download and upload data transmission. That concludes our complete guide on configuring HTTP custom with V2ray and SSH Tunnel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to 12.5 Tech, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.